So many of the people feel that they are not able to speak English or move forward in this English speaking journey because they are not having money. They think that spending more money can make them fluent in speaking English. But trust me, friends, it is not at all necessary to spend money in order to learn English. In this video, let me share you each and every step that I did in order to learn English all alone at home itself without spending even a penny, even a single rupee. Because when I made up my mind to learn English, I was not able to afford money. That is the main reason I did not join any coaching classes or any online platforms in which we need to pay money in order to learn English. But this was a blessing for me because this made me realize that learning English does not need money. Okay, now let's directly dive into the video. Hi, Namaste, I am Gowthami. The first resource that I found free is YouTube. Yes, all of you are familiar with this vast platform, right? YouTube provides you so many videos which are in English for free. You need not spend, or it does not cost you even a single rupee to watch that particular video. Yes, but the major task that you need to deal with if you want to use YouTube is that you need to be dedicated. Yes, you should not be distracted with all the other videos that appear on your home screen, right? If you are once distracted and start scrolling the YouTube, then boom, everything is gone. So make sure that you are not distracted while watching YouTube. I know that as soon as you open YouTube, shorts will appear, the entertaining shorts. But you need to keep in mind your goal, that is to learn English, to speak English fluently, right? So, you should keep that in mind, control your thoughts, scrolling unnecessary, unwanted videos, and just start learning English using the videos that are present on YouTube. On YouTube, you can find a number of videos regarding English grammar, practical tips on how to learn English, right? Even I learned English in the same way, and that is the reason I am in front of you speaking English like this today. On YouTube, I watch videos. I don't watch random videos. I prefer to watch English speeches, which is a wonderful platform in which so many celebrities share their views, how they have become celebrities today. Not only that, there you will find fluent English speakers. Next, I watch some vlogs. In vlogs, you will find natural English, not textbook English. It will be very useful to you, trust me. You will definitely become a fluent English speaker ASAP if you watch English vlogs. If you are capable of understanding native speakers, then try to follow some of those channels and learn English. I used to practice reading also through watching YouTube videos. I used to do shadowing technique. In one of my videos, I have explained you how I practice shadowing technique using YouTube videos, right? You can take advantage of that and you can also become a fluent English speaker. Next platform that I used to become a fluent English speaker is Google, the biggest online platform, right? I used to search for interesting topic in order to practice my speaking skills all alone. I used to ask Google to suggest me 50 topics, 50 interesting topics on which I can practice speaking English, and Google is ready to give me the answer. Not only that, I used to practice my pronunciation also. You know, right? Whenever you don't know the pronunciation of any word, for example, if you don't know the pronunciation of this spelling, then directly go to Google and ask the pronunciation. It is going to pronounce that particular word for you. Awesome, right? Not only that, I used to use Quora application in Google, where so many of them give their own opinions. I used to read them. I used to read blogs, and not only that, I used to read articles, whatever I feel interesting. I used to read news also on Google. Try to make use of this biggest platform. Another application that I use is Grammarly. I used Grammarly to improve my English writing skills. Okay, I used to write diary each and every day in English. Recently, I started journaling also, just for the sake of improving my English skills, English writing skills. Because you all know, right? Learning, reading, writing, and speaking are the four pillars of English language. Not only English, but any language. So, trust me, guys, if you use all these platforms and applications that I am sharing with you now, you can definitely become a fluent English speaker. This app is amazing. Once you start using this, it is going to help you in so many ways, and you will improve your English writing skills ASAP. Previously, I used to use English conversation application. In that application, I used to practice conversations speaking aloud. Okay, I used to read out loud, where I improved my English speaking skills a lot. You need to understand that the more you tune your mouth and tune your ears and tune all your senses to learn English, to speak English, the more fluent you are going to become. You need to immerse yourself in this particular language. Using this English conversation application, it was so fun to learn English. One more application I am using a lot is Fluency. In this platform, you are going to get 20 minutes free time, in which you are connected to another co-speaker or another English learner or a tutor. So it will be very easy to you to speak English, to practice your English speaking skills with another person, right? In this way, you can improve your English speaking skills a lot, because here you are going to speak with real people. They may be learners, they may be advanced than you. Either of it is beneficial to you, right? So make use of this particular application called as Fluency. Not only as Fluency, there are so many applications like Talk Now, Hello Talk, CV. So you can use any of these applications in order to speak with real people to improve your English speaking skills. The last and final application that I am going to share with you is one of my favorite, and that is ChatGPT. I am using ChatGPT a lot nowadays. Whatever doubt I have, it may be related to grammar, it may be related to my speaking skills also, I am using ChatGPT. I am practicing with ChatGPT artificial intelligence. I asked ChatGPT to be my teacher and improve my English speaking skills. And from then on, ChatGPT became my teacher. I am practicing my English conversation skills with ChatGPT each and every day, at least for 5 minutes. It is very beneficial for me, because I may not speak on a fluency, or I may not speak on CV each and every day. I may not make live conversations each and every day. But ChatGPT is always ready to make a conversation with me. I may make a bad conversation. ChatGPT is going to correct me without judging me. Yes, in this way, I am loving my mistakes and I am rectifying my mistakes each and every day. I highly recommend you to use ChatGPT to improve English. Okay, don't take ChatGPT or any artificial intelligence in a negative way. They are helping us a lot to learn English, to widen our knowledge in each and every aspect. So try using this artificial intelligence to improve your English speaking skills just like me. As you all know, I learn English alone. These platforms and applications are very useful to me, very beneficial to me. They are playing a lion's share to improve my English speaking skills. Now it's high time. I am giving you two options. The first option is that just watch this video and go to another video and just pass your time. And the second option is utilize the time and do whatever I did. Okay, YouTube is one of the biggest platform which is going to be a blessing to you if you use it in a proper way. Okay, so that is what I wanted to share with you in this video. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end.